not going to use the normal crochet needle, so just stick around so you can see how I'm going to attach the crochet hair to my head. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. It helps boost my videos so that other viewers can see them, so it helps my channel. So today I am going to do this style that has been most suggested in the comment sections in my videos. To begin with, if you haven't seen my yarn cornrows or stitch cornrows, please go check it out. I'll leave a link in the description box so you can start there, so you can see how I made these beautiful cornrows. This is the flat twist version, and I'm going to use these already done ones to do a much requested video, how to do crochet hair on the yarn cornrows. So I'm going to use this crochet hair. I've had this for the longest time and I never did it. Well, I bought this for my daughter and she never liked it, so we never used it. So I'm going to use this today. It comes in two colors, so I can use one. I can use the black one and the highlights. It's really long, so I'm going to cut them in half so that so that the hair is not too long. I don't think I want very long hair like that. Well, before I start working on this, I'm going to finish up these cornrows nicely and tuck them in. So I'm going to, flip them up and stitch them in between. A friendly reminder, I'm not using a sharp needle, I'm using a blunt needle. This is not the same needle as the ones used to sew clothes. This is a craft needle that is rounded at the tip, so it's not sharp. So be sure you're using this. So if you're gonna do this, be sure you're using this so you don't hurt your scalp. I'm going to cut these ones in half. Like I said, I don't want them to be too long, and I'm going to flap them out so that it looks like, I don't know, an afro-ish. So they're not tied all like in half, so I can't just go in and cut. I'm gonna have to separate them and cut them one by one so that there's not too much work for me to do after it's done. So after I cut them in half, I'm going to fold it in half like this and tie it here. I'm going to tie it halfway there, and if I tie it only once, it becomes loose. So I'm going to tie it twice, like that, so that it's it's tight. And I'm going to do that to all of them. I have prepped the hair and I'm ready to start. I'm not going to put the hairs towards the front. I want them to start somewhere here, so I'm going to put my placeholder so that I know where not to put the hair, because I don't want to pull my edges in any way and have that discomfort. And I'm going to tie a knot on the first, this one, so that the hair doesn't come out. I'm doing a double knot, so when it's time to take it out, I'm gonna have to ask someone to take it out for me. And then I'll take one of these and I will poke through the knot that I made, that knot, and then put it down like that, and then go over again once on that knot. And I'm going to space them out because I'm going to fluff these out after, so I'm going to space them out. So the next one right here, and pull and go over it once more. And the next. So when I'm done, as you can see, I knotted it. I'm just gonna go into the hair and pull it out before I cut it, and that is to hide that thread so that it's not like sticking out like a sore thumb. So this is what we have now. I mean, it wasn't even a lot of it, but it's already full. So I will do the rest of it, and then I will start fluffing them out one by one. So we're starting a new one. Remember to secure that thread so that it doesn't pull out. So I'll make the first stitch like that, and then I'll pull all the way to the end. But I'm not sewing on this band. This is just a placeholder to show me where I'm starting from. So tie that up. I'm going to tie it twice. Like I said, I'm gonna have to look for someone to take it off for me when I'm taking it off, and then I will go over that again like that, and then start putting them in. For the first one, I'm going to go over it twice so that it's laying down like that. So for the rest, I'm not going to go over that twice like that, because I realized like I'm not even gonna have this style for a very long time. So I'll just keep going, and now I'm only going over once, like going through it once. So we're done here. I think I put too much on this side, looks like. Must have gone heavy-handed on this side. Yeah, so before I forget, this is the thread I was using to sew. It's the crochet thread that I have also used previously on one of these yarn videos. This will hold it tightly. It's like very firm. Like it gives a very good grip because it's cotton. I'm going to fluff them out.
So basically what I'm doing here is I'm taking one of those coils and splitting it into like 3 little sections. I'm being gentle with it because I don't want like flyaways in there. So I kind of like pull the hair, or rather that coil, and I let it guide me the easiest way to separate it, and then I separate it gently and coil it back to how it was, or put it back gently so that we still have a curl pattern in it. So if you want to see this in detail, you can slow down your playing speed on your settings so that you can see exactly how I'm doing it. So just make sure you're not, you know, being rough with it, because otherwise you will not be left with a good curl pattern.
So thanks for watching this far. This is the easiest and fastest hair I've ever had to do. Level of difficulty, easy, like you can do this for yourself, as you saw I did it for myself. I really enjoyed doing it. It's the easiest. I didn't get tired. It didn't take me that long. However, if I was to give you any tips now that I did it like this, so separating it after I was done, that's what took the most time actually. So if you can prepare your hair before you start making it, like maybe like cut it and have it ready, like maybe on while you're watching a movie or doing something, whatever, in readiness to do this style, you can do that. And also like after I cut them in half and then I knotted it twice in readiness to put it on my hair, I would have separated it at that time. Like I would have fluffed it out at that time. I was afraid that it would be all over the place, but after doing it, I think I would have just done that for once and for all. But I think the fact that I did single ones and then fluffed it out, it made it fuller. If I had fluffed it out before I put it on my hair, I would have maybe put little. So you gotta pick and choose what you want to compromise. So yeah, thanks for watching this far, and if you've watched this far, why don't you subscribe, share, like, comment. Let me know how much you like this hair. Let me know if you're gonna try this, and also give me more suggestions in the comment section below, because this style was suggested to me. Many people were asking, would this work with crochet hair? Would this work with crochet? And I was like, I don't see why not. So I tried it. If you're comfortable using this for that, go ahead and use it. But I didn't think I wanted to disturb my hair as much. Like, you know, after I had done it and then like going through, like, you know, here like that, I don't think I wanted to do that. For me, it would have been easier, like, to sew it like I did. So you can pick and choose and see what you like. So yeah, thanks again. See you next time. Bye.